Hello, this is Jackie. Right now I'm going to walk you through homework 2 that I've done. So I've created an index page which link to part 2 and part 3 of this homework. The first link is called fill out this form. It takes you to the initial page.html. Second link is request information retrieval, which is basically a return page of the servlet. So pretty straightforward. I've used the blueprint CSS style sheet here to format it. So just a quick demo here. This is what you will see by running the index the HTML page. So for the initial page, which asks you to fill out the form here, it's linked to my servlet, which is the first servlet. And under the form, you'll see it asks you to fill out first name, middle name, last name. All of them are text input. And then for gender, it's radio button input. And then you would fill in your date of birth here with all the years you can select. And then address, city, state, zip code, which are all text inputs as well. Okay, it's recording. Okay. Then the page will look like this once you click in. It's a 3-column page, which I use the blueprint CSS. So just a quick demo. So if you fill out your name here, spell, select first one just for the demo, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So one thing I want to show you here is if you don't put zip code, it will not let you submit this form, because this is a validation I wrote in the initial page. Made all of the input box required, so we have to fill out the page except for the middle name, because I don't have middle name. So let's say you fill out 4 here, click send, you'll see the servlet returns you with this page. It's also a 3 columns page with all the information you fill in, basically. And then it's the second link, which is the second link here, request information retrieval. It's request information retrieval. It's linked to my servlet 2. So if you go to my servlet 2 here, so basically I've created this class. It's called my servlet 2. It extends to HTTP servlet abstract class, and here I use doGet method, and then I define this method here. The set content type is text and HTML, and then I want to print it out with print writer object out, and then I use some HTML here to format it. And here is the request objects I took out from the input of this method, and then I use the get request URL, and all of this information are path information, which is under the path box. And I use some Java code here to take out the information regarding the headers, and all the header information are stored into a hash map and linked list, which makes it easier to retrieve. And then I put it into the table by taking out data from the hash map and linked list here. And the last box is the last table is called session, and all the information here are session information. So if you were to go into this request information retrieval, the server will return you with this page. So you have 3 boxes, 3 tables. First table is path table with all the path information, and then header information are here, and then session information. And that's the end of my illustration. I hope you understand. Hope I make sense on everything I did here. Thank you very much for watching.